Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Nene. Today I'm going to be doing, I believe I'm going to do a Dutch pour. I'm going to use a black background, and these are the colors that I will be using today. Paints that I purchased from Jerry's Artorama. So I'll be using this pretty pink color. And this one. This. I used these colors in a previous video, a 12 by 12 canvas that I also purchased from Jerry's Artorama, but I wanted to try it today on a black background. I believe this is a 12 by 24. 12. Yep, 12 by 24 canvas. So let's get started. I hope everyone is doing okay. Everyone's finding something creative to do with their time. I'm trying to. You know, I was really surprised about all the art supplies that I couldn't really find in a lot of the stores that are open. But, you know, like I always say, it is what it is. But then I found Jerry's Artorama. I keep saying auto, but Artorama. And I like them. So far, so good. You know, the paints that I'm using, like I said, I did in another video, and I like the results. So I wanted to try them. They were so vibrant, and I wanted to see how it would hold up on a black background. I have a feeling it's going to be really pretty. So let's see. So pop these bubbles. I'm running out of everything. I'm running out of canvases. I'm running out of paints. My favorite place to buy paints, Arteza, are out of stock on a lot of paints, which is so frustrating. Even my cheap little paints at Walmart are gone. So, I mean, I don't even know. I may have to make my next videos be, you know, doing some mugs and some water bottles with vinyl. Okay. All right, so let me add a little bit water to this because it looks really thick to me. I was thinking about doing some, I'm planning on doing a video with my grandkids. They have even though the school is closed, they're being very active with the kids. So they're going to be doing like, they can paint some stones and take it up to the school and put it in a little rock garden I think they have. I think that's a beautiful idea. And I think I'm going to videotape them, have them come over, start the camera rolling, let them paint some stones. And I forgot to show you because I'm just running off at the mouth. And this is the one before, the first one I poured. Videotape them making the painting on the stones, and then taking it up to the school and placing it in the garden. I think that'll be a fun video to do with the grandkids. Can you imagine the mess I'm gonna have? But it is what it is. That's what they do. And this one here. So stay tuned for that one. But since I am running low on paints, I'm gonna have to try to find some craft paint for them to do that, because I'm too low anyway on regular acrylic paints. Okay. You know, come to think of it, I don't even think I really even thought about how I'm going to do this. I just started talking and laying down the paint without really even thinking about what the heck I was about to do. So now, I don't even know how this is going to turn out. Hopefully, it turns out nice. Okay. Here goes. Wow. Is it possible to be in love with your painting? I know that's kind of weird. Let's pretend I didn't say that. Oh my God. I feel like I need to do something down here though. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Oh my God. Look at me running out of fluid. Oh my God. I literally do not have to do anything else to this. No straw, no blowing with the straw, no nothing. I think it's just perfect the way it is. Oh my God. Oh my God, okay. So I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up, and then I'm going to show you the complete dry painting when it dries. And before I pop out to bring you in for a close-up, I want to thank you for joining me. I also want to ask you, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can know when I'm uploading videos, especially when I get ready to record the ones with my grandkids. That's going to be fun. So I'm really looking forward to that. So, okay, so thank you again for joining me. I appreciate you. Stay safe out there. And let's pray for life to go back to normal very, very soon. Bye, everyone. Okay, here we are. Here's the close-up. And that's my fan, you see, my ceiling fan. But oh my God, look at these colors. Oh my God. I keep saying that, I'm sorry. It's just so pretty. Look at those blues, the pink, the purple. And I didn't use any silicone in this painting. I didn't want any cells. But I do have these little dots there, which actually I like. So I'm not mad. I think it looks good. So I will bring you the close-up of this again once it's completely and fully dry. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, everyone, so here we are. Here's the dry results. And wow, I love how the blue, the purple just kind of fades into the black. It's very, very stunning. I love it. And this one is going to get resin. I think I'm going to resin this one for other reasons other than the fact that I know it's going to bring the color out, but there's another reason. When this painting dried, I noticed there's little pinholes, see? My first thought was like, oh my God, my picture is ruined because the colors are so beautiful. But look at that. Man, I'm gonna tell you, I was pissed when I saw that. So pissed. And I'm like, you know, why did that happen? I'm thinking I may have missed a lot of bubbles under the paint because I know my torch was losing fuel. I didn't have much in there. And you know, that's all my fault. So I love this painting so much. I don't want it to be ruined. And I'm thinking because resin is so forgiving that it will definitely make these disappear. So I will resin this, and then I'm going to make another video showing what it looks like now and, you know, before and after. But other than that, tell me guys, what do you think about this painting? And how do you think it would look with the resin? If you think the resin would help hide these holes. I'm like 85% sure. I don't think, I really don't think that varnish is going to do it. I think you'll still see it. I think resin will do a better job at just making it disappear. So leave me your thoughts in the comment. I'd like to read and see what you think about it. But that's it. So again, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know what I'm doing. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.